How to add music to your Facebook post. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can add music to your Facebook post. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now after you've done that, first step, you will need to create a post. So let us create a post. To do that, tap on what's on your mind on the top on your Facebook. Now here you can choose a photo or a video, or simply type in whatever you want. So after you've selected a photo, what you'll need to do is you will see the edit option on the top left of your photo. So simply tap on that. And after you tap on the edit option, you will see the music icon on the top here. Now after you find that, simply tap on it. And now you can search for a music. Now I'll just select a music that's on the top, and after you add the music, you can even edit it. Simply tap on it and you will see which part of the music that you want to add or the style of the lyrics. So after you've done that, all you now need to do is tap on next. So after you've added the music, all you need to do is tap on post, and after you tap on post, it will start uploading the photo or the video with the music in it. And after you do that, as it says right here, it's finishing up. So after you've waited for a while, the post will have been uploaded and you'll notice that it has music in it. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you add a music in your Facebook post. And that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.